today we're gonna set up a clothesline, and it's kind of a portable one. I'm gonna put a socket sort of thing on the ground to. I'm gonna set it. I have to dig a hole, set it in concrete, and then we'll put this clothesline. They'll be able to take the clothesline up and down and in and out of the house. And so the kids are out here. This is the first time they've ever mixed concrete, so we just thought we'd share this with you. All right, GB. First thing we got to do is we got to dig our hole for our pole socket, and I've determined right about here is where I want it. And it calls for a hole about 10 inches across and 12 inches deep. And then we're going to put some gravel in the bottom part and then fill the rest with concrete. So
a hole in the ground without using scissors.
Come on over here.
That looks like a huge block.
It is a block. Whoa! It's just a block. You can see the layers of dirt. Yeah.
And rock.
And rock.
So I'm going to measure, see how deep that is so far.
I think I can put my foot in there.
That's amazing.
Don't you dare put your foot in there. You'll ruin your
Oh, it's
Snow boots.
about 12 inches across.
Right, that's not.
And we're about 7 or 8 inches so far. So
No. See,
a
look.
little deeper.
Creepy.
It's a little joke.
We'll probably find a coffin.
You think you'll find a coffin as big as a square? That would be like an.
Oh, you do.
That's a very easy.
Look at that. Look. Look. That's a cool rock.
Okay, that's about right.
So,
I'm gonna.
tell me when to stop.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Spread that out. See. So what's 12 minus 5?
Oh, we need all the
7.
we need.
So I'm about 7 inches
Big one.
from the top. So
Battery power one.
need a little bit more.
Let's trim it.
One more. Probably the rest. Yeah. I'm gonna go look for pebbles.
That's enough. That's going to be enough. Rocks in the bottom of the hole so water can drain out of the socket, the post.
How would it drain out the socket if rocks are in there? It's like rocks like.
Well, it won't drain because the rocks don't fit tight together. There's space between it, so there's a hole in the bottom for the water to drain out when it rains. It's supposed to sit kind of like this, and then we're going to fill it up with concrete.
Shouldn't pour the concrete in to stick that in? Because what if you get on top of it and stuff, mess it up?
I'm probably gonna
Good point,
paint these.
yeah. I just need to stick something down in this hole to keep from squishing the concrete up in it when I put it down.
Oh yeah, that's a good point too. So maybe you ought to put something over top of it,
Mom,
protect it.
I think
No.
I may want to put it in there.
These.
You know, like right now, something over top so in case you get concrete on it.
When the head trim. Maybe some leaves? When the
No,
head trim.
like plastic, like a
When the
sandwich
head
bag.
trim.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
So somebody go in the house, get a sandwich. Watch out, Jimmy, don't hit Dad in the head with that shovel.
you hit me with a shovel.
Why are you putting on that on there?
Protect it
Protect it from what?
good idea.
Dynamite?
from drippings of concrete.
Dynamite.
Why does
And then
it
just
dark?
pull it out once we get the concrete.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me squeeze it. Whoa. Want to squeeze it?
No.
If you haven't seen concrete,
Breathe
then
this dust, y'all.
But back up now. You don't want to breathe that in. Back up. It almost was a blooper.
Yeah, Daddy.
In the,
Sit, buddy. Sit.
I guess when it hardens, it's gonna turn. Cause at first it's white, now it's gray, and it's probably gonna turn black. Won't it turn black?
No, it's light gray.
You gonna fill that hole entirely, or?
Yes.
I don't think we got enough. Yeah.
Are you gonna cover that bag?
Dad.
No, I'm gonna take it off. Concrete.
It sounds nice. So
No.
nice. You're being such a bad boy. Oh my goodness.
This. Okay, it's been a couple of days, and our concrete's set. It's good and solid, and there's our plug and our hole to put our, now we're gonna put our clothesline in there. I took it out of the package, but it's portable, so we can take it in and out of the weather. So we're gonna pop it up, kind of sets up like an umbrella. Let's move that back. Slide the weight. There it is in the ground. And it can be raised up higher. This right here. So, there you have it. You can rotate around and put your clothes on it.